girlfriends, what's up? It's your girl CurlyBae and I'm back with you again with another video. So if this is your first time coming to my channel, make sure you go ahead and click the subscribe button as well as notification bell so you can be the first to know when we have new videos. And if you're a returning girlfriend, welcome back. Guys, yes, I am back. I know you missed me. I'm trying to be here consistently. I've been like kind of trying to figure out whether I should post my videos on Sunday, Monday, or Tuesday. So you guys let me know. Either way, you guys are gonna at least get a video once a week. I'm gonna go back into blogging. I just feel like I wasn't in a creative rut, but I was definitely out of it when it came to YouTube. And my blog, I was more focusing on Instagram and TikTok. So now that I have a little substantial growth on both of them, I decided to why not just come back to YouTube, because this is where it began. Well, actually the blog is where it began, but YouTube was like my heart and my soul. Like, this is how I had learned how to do pretty much everything, and I just miss you guys, all 1400 of you. So I remember days I used to pray for this, and now it's here, and I ain't gonna neglect all you, because without you guys I wouldn't be where I am right now. And let's just go ahead and jump into the video. We got so much to talk about. So I partner with this company. It is a clipping company. It is from Heritage 1933. They sent me these clip-ins. Now these clip-ins are obviously way too short for me, because my bad, I didn't know what size length to get. I'm not like really too keen on knowing weave, so I was just like, oh yeah, just send me a 4A, whatever. So this is actually kind of too short for my hair. It's pretty much like a bang. So I created this look, and honestly you guys, I'm loving it. Like, I was really I was disappointed, because I was like, damn, like this isn't even my like length, but I am loving it. I love how natural it look. I love like how you could like wash it. I love everything about it. So guys, like, I really think I love this look. It's super glamorous. This is the first time I ever do a style like this. I've done like similar styles, but not like with clip-ins, and you guys, I'm living it, like not with like naturally like curly hair. I didn't really unravel a whole bunch of them because I don't want to ruin it. Like, I scared. I'll go ahead and put a link down below where you could find it. They're not mostly popular for the clip-ins. They're mostly popular for the oil, which is really nice. I never got to use it, but I know a couple of my friends use it, and they're like, it is the business. But I really I decided to step out the box and choose the clip-ins. And the clip-ins, you guys, I feel like next time I order them, I want to get like maybe like a 18-20 inch, so then I could put it in my hair and just feel like Diana Ross. Fabulous. So guys, I had too much talking. Anyways, if you guys want to stay tuned and see how I achieve this look, then stay tuned and let's go. Hey guys, and welcome back to my TED Talk. So first we're going to start with stretched hair. I'm actually going to put my hair in sections. So the back, it was actually braided down. So I'm going to take out my braids just so I can make sure that I don't have that big gunk in the back of my hair. And right now I'm gonna go ahead and apply some gel. I think right now I'm using Eco Styler, but I'm so against it. But hey guys, look at the brush easy. Look how easy it is to just kind of detangle my hair. It's been such a lifesaver, you have no idea. So then I'm gonna put that back part into a ponytail. As you can see, the bulk of my hair is pretty stretched out. And then I'm gonna work on the top part of my hair, where I'm going to take out the braids and add gel. And then I'm going to detangle as well, then smooth it down with a boar bristle brush. Then we're gonna work on the other section. So once we've gotten all of the hair into a ponytail, well, we're going to go ahead and add it into the other ponytail. So once we've gotten all of the hair added in, Then we're gonna go ahead and smooth the hair out with a boar bristle brush. Just smooth it down real nice. Now it's gonna be white, but that's okay. Then we're gonna go ahead and braid the hair into a very tight ponytail braid-ish. You know what I mean. We're gonna go ahead and braid that and secure it with a little rubber band at the end. So it doesn't have to be perfect, obviously, but we just need it to be tight. Y'all, this style is so easy, you have no idea. Then we're gonna go ahead and take one of the clip-ins. I'm taking the smallest, or yeah, the smallest in length, and I'm going to put that at the base of my hair. What we're going to do is stretch it out first, unclip, and then attach it to the lowest part of the ponytail, and then clip it on. And it does not budge, guys. This thing is so impressive. Then I'm gonna go ahead and show you more. I think I used maybe about 4 or 5 clips. No, I'm kidding. It was about 6 or 7 clips that I used for this style. And I still had a bunch more left over, so you can share with a friend. So I'm going to separate the hair to make it just look a little bit more natural, but I'm not going to separate all of it just because I want a little bit more definition in the hair, making it look like a nice little braid out or twist out. Then I'm going to add that right on top of the other clip, so at least like a finger width apart, so it can have some type of dimension. Now I'm going to go ahead and repeat until you're all the way to the top. Now you've pretty much gotten to the end. What you're going to do is just fluff it out and separate a couple more pieces so it could look a little bit more natural. I'm still waiting for the top part of my hair to dry. The last step is to secure that track, baby. So you're going to take a piece of the hair and you're just going to wrap it around the base, so that way you can't see any of the tracks. And then you're going to go ahead and bobby pin it down or what have you. Oh wait, that wasn't the last step. This is the last step. This is optional, of course, but we're gonna do our edges and we're gonna slay them, because guys, I have gotten so much better since I've been gone. And just look how I'm gonna slick these edges down. Right here, I think I am using the edge booster. I think that's the only edge control that I actually really do like. It just works for me. I don't have to mix it with gel or anything. Thank you guys so much for watching. It feels so good to be back. I just want to say I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for being patient. It has been a rough couple of months, but we back, and we back better than ever. You see my little backdrop? Like we about to switch this up. But guys, let me know what type of videos you want to see. I was thinking about starting a Patreon. Actually, I started a Patreon. I just haven't put anything on there or even started promoting it. But like, what type of other content would you like to see? Because I do so much and it is like crazy. It's like I kind of want to just give you guys one place where you could just find everything that I do. Like my son wants to start a vlog with me, and it is just, it's a lot. It is a lot. It's a lot of content creating, and I'm really ready. I feel like I'm ready to take that step to just becoming self-employed. But I ain't ready yet. Like, it's not that I'm not financially ready. Probably I'm not financially ready, but I just feel like there's so much more that I need to learn and so much more that I need to put into place before I decide to just take that leap of faith. Because once it's going forward, ain't no going back. You know what I'm saying? Oh, shout out to comment winner. Anyway guys, thank you so much for staying tuned. I'm gonna be back again next Monday, and I want to remind you to dream big, take chances, and never stop learning. We are CurlyBae. Besos.